Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Starline i96 Pro on this really lovely 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost. So how the system works, it's really simple. Someone grabs the key, does a relay attack, starts the vehicle. They think they're away. As soon as he puts it into gear, if you watch carefully, vehicle shuts down, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, standard procedure is foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Starts the vehicle, inserts the code, so tap, 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 tap. There's our disarm melody, put it into gear and drive it away, okay? If the customer wants to place it in valet mode, this is also very simple, and the way they would do that, the characteristics of this Rolls-Royce, without your foot on the brake, tap the start button 3 times within 7 seconds, so 1, 2, 3. Ignition powers up, inserts his code, we'll get our disarm melody, there you go, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start button off, and then back on. There's our 2 bleeps, and now the system is in valet mode, okay? When they get the vehicle back, just tap the start button 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Ignition comes on, just insert the code. There's our double bleep, and it's out of valet mode, okay? Really simple and straightforward to use. Obviously, give it 10 seconds and it will arm again. So as soon as I start it again, should be about 10 seconds. Start the vehicle up, put it in gear, vehicle shuts down, okay? If you want to change the code, this is also very simple, and the way you do that is turn the start button on 3 times, so 1, 2, 3. Get the main ignition on, insert your code. There's our disarm melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off, back on. Get 5 bleeps, and we're just going to do a basic code, so just wait for confirmation. And repeat. We'll get the same double bleep. That's it. Code is now learnt. Okay? And now I'm trying to remember what that code was. So we'll wait for it to set. And we'll start the vehicle and try that new code. So start the vehicle. Vehicle starts. I think it was, there's our disarm melody, and place it into gear, okay, and drive away. As I said, this is a Starline i96 Pro fitted to a Rolls-Royce Ghost 2022. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.